Karcher K5 Premium 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Our best-in-class pressure washer power to tackle any job around the home. Designed for high-end performance with 2000 PSI and a 1.4 GPM water flow rate. Karcher's K5 Premium is perfect for users who demand the ultimate level of home cleaning. With up to 40 times the pressure of a typical garden hose, the K5 Premium is equipped to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs around the home. With features such as an onboard hose reel, the high-pressure Dirtblaster spray wand, and onboard detergent tank, the K5 Premium will live up to the Karcher promise: cleaner, quicker, built to last. The K5 Premium is engineered to withstand the rigorous demands of frequent residential use and comes equipped with a patented water-cooled induction motor that prolongs the life of the motor by up to 5 times, reduces noise output, and lowers energy consumption. The patented N-Cor pump is durable, non-corrosive, and maintenance-free. The built-in hose reel helps prevent kinks in the high-pressure hose and makes winding or unwinding a simple task. Comes equipped with large 7.7 high-impact wheels and a tall, durable handle. Backed by the Rapid Exchange program. The Rapid Exchange program bypasses the hassles of a traditional repair program by providing a quick and free replacement for a pressure washer that requires in-warranty repairs. This model is covered by a 2-year warranty. Karcher K5 Premium 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. K5 Premium key features. Water-cooled induction motor. Circulates water around motor, lowering operating temperature. Improves performance and prolongs motor life by up to 5 times. Much quieter than a gasoline pressure washer and certified by CSA International for safety, the K5 Premium is perfect for demanding residential use. Onboard detergent tank. Comes equipped with an onboard removable detergent tank for easy detergent application. Adjustable detergent flow dial allows you to control how much detergent is applied, preventing waste during light-duty cleaning. Pressurized hose reel. The K5 Premium has a built-in pressurized hose reel to conveniently protect and store the 25-foot high-pressure hose. This feature makes winding and unwinding the hose even easier, helping to prevent kinks in the hose. The K5 Premium stability foot helps create an extremely stable unit. 2 included wands. For your most stubborn stains, attach the included Dirtblaster wand to increase the effective pressure. For less intense cleaning, attach the Vario Power Spray wand, which allows you to adjust the pressure right on the wand. Detergent automatically dispenses on low pressure setting. Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer 2000 PSI, 1.4 GPM. Click the link below to get yours today.